Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. His name is MyWeb, and guys, in this video, I'm just talking about something updates in my navigation bar. In the last video, I created nav bar where I create some logo, search box, and here is my user menu. But recently, I just updated something in my navigation bar, which is look like that. So here is my slider, and when I click on this my account, so as you can see, it's looking like this. It's have a drop down box which is also looking like snapdeal.com. So when I go to the snapdeal.com, and when I hover on that, okay, so as you can see, here is also a open a drop down box is looking like that. Okay, so I'm not hover on that, I also click on that. Okay, so it's your account, your orders wish list. If you are a new user, register, or you can also log in on that. Okay, and here is a slider which has some contents, and here is buy now button, and here is view more button. Okay, so how can I do that? So just go to the text editor and write some codes with me.